back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today is a quick tip. I wanted to talk to you about when your pans start to get marks on them, get discolored as you're washing them and cleaning them, and they're just not coming clean anymore. Well, what you need is just some cheap white vinegar. This is the same thing that you use on your kitchen counter. It's the same thing you use to wash fruit with. So, of course, all you have to do is just take some inexpensive white vinegar and a paper towel, and it doesn't matter if you spill any on the counter. But you just want to take things like your pan and your lid and just go ahead and give them a treatment of this vinegar like this. And just clean around them. Just like this. That woke you up. For everybody that was sleeping. Okay. And of course I put my lid on here for now. I can also, when you have fruits and vegetables that need to be washed, you can use water. Of course, there's an old joke about the person that washed the head of lettuce with soap and water. But you can wash things with just inexpensive vinegar like this. It works really, really well for washing things. And if you do things in ascending order, you end up with some vinegar that you can use to clean your counter with. And it really, really shines up your counter. So you can use this on your cutting board to clean and cutting board because it has some properties in it where it kills some germs. This is part of a mix that they use in a restaurant. They might use vinegar and water or a little bit of dish soap in it. And then just grab another paper towel to dry things. And you will get things looking very, very nice. You know, you use vinegar to clean your windows. And of course, instead of paper towels, you use a coffee filter. And I haven't done this in quite a while, so this lid kind of needs a little bit of work. I won't spend a lot of time on it now today, but it definitely needs a little bit of cleaning and work. And the thing is, the water has lime in it. So as you use water to clean things, it leaves behind the minerals of the lime. So there we go. Okay. Just clean up the counter. Pour everybody a drink. What do you have? Martini? Tom Collins? There we go. Kills germs, cleans things up. And of course, all you have to do is just finish wiping things down, dry it up, makes the countertop shine, and it looks really good. Well, that's the show for the day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.